G'day and welcome back to another gas walkthrough. Today we're looking at June 4th, 2025's Renban Sudoku by Clover. Clover's one of us here at Gas HQ, so am I. My name is Bill Murphy. G'day, how y'all doing? It might look a little differently lighted to how I normally record these, but the key part is that my girlfriend has booked a hotel for... pardon me. My girlfriend has booked a hotel for the next... tonight, so it'd be weird if I recorded this in a hotel, so I'm recording it for you now, and I'm doing another one almost immediately after this. But yes, my name is Bill. I'm part of the gas team, along with Clover and Philip, and we create and set and solve genuinely approachable Sudoku for you, the person watching this. You will find the link to today's puzzle in the description down below. You will also find hat times. 2 hats is for a very fast time, 1 hat is for a pretty fast time, and everyone gets a dinosaur because we love you all equally. That being said, I don't have all the time in the world today, so I'm going to get into it. This is a Renban Sudoku. We've done a bunch of Renbans on the channel before, but normal Sudoku rules apply. So each box, each row, and each column must contain the digits 1 to 9 once each, and each line must contain a set of consecutive digits, but can be in any order. So that could be like... Now, secretly, I've spotted something about this puzzle already. I haven't actually solved this one yet, but I know that that's the correct answer. But, how do I know that? Well, let's jump into it now. So, this is a Renban. So 1 and 4 mean that I have to have 2 and 3 here. Now that this can't be 2, 3, 4 or 3, 4, 5. It must be 4, 5, 6. That 5 goes here. Oh, sorry, 6 goes there and 5 goes there. I made the same mistake twice in a row. Pardon me. Love that for me. Now, we can come down here and do the same thing. 6 mean that that's a 7 and 8, and this must be a 2 and a 3, but we have a 2 here. So that's a 3 and that's a 2. Do I know anything else yet? Well... this has to be 3 and 4, because between 2 and 5 is 3 and 4. 4 here means that this is 3, this is 4, which is actually going to bounce back and do a 2 and a 3. Because I got a 4 here, the only thing that this can be now is 6 and 7. That 6 here means that this is 7, this is 6. That 7 that I just placed is going to unwind my 8 and my 7 down here. Now, this must contain a 7, so the 7 has to go here. But this can still be either 5 or 9. But what I do know is that this also has a 6, and because if it was to be 6, 7, 8, or 5, 6, 7, it would need the 7 that I just placed. So this has to be 4, 5, and 6. The 5 here is going to tell me which way around that goes. Now that I just placed the 5, that means I have to put a 9 there. So, what does that tell me about this puzzle? Well, I'm already looking at box 7, and 2 can't go in that one or those 2 cells. So 2 has to go there. 8 has to go here. This is 1 and 3. Let's go along here now. Or maybe go back up. Maybe go back up. 1 there, because that's the only... I've got the ones in columns 1 and 2. 7... means that 7 has to go here, this is 9, and this is 8. Now, 9 can't go in those ones because I've got it there and there, so this is now 9. I've got the 8 here, which puts an 8 there. This 2 here means that this is 2, this is 1, and this is 3. I do have an 8 just as a naked single there. Where does 7 go in row 9? 7 has to go there. This is now 9, 4, and then 5 and 6. Alright, that has to be a 7. Now, interesting, because I've just looked over here. 8 could either be 6, 7, 8 or 7, 8, 9. Because I got a 6 here, I know that this has to be 7 and 9, and these 2 singles are going to unwind that for me. So that's 7, that's 9. 2 puts a 2 and a 5 there. And now this is 3 and 4. 7. What do I know about that? 3, 6, and 8. Oh, that's very interesting. This is... But let's look at it this way. This one is 1, 4, and 5. That 4 here is going to put a 3 there and a 4 there. I have 1, 5 in the row. 1 and 5 have to go here. But if this is a 1, I can't do one consecutive digit and then a 7. So this has to be 5, this is 1, which makes this a 6, and that 8 and 3. Consecutive with 1 is a 2, so this is a 1 and a 5. Consecutive with a 3, but if it's not a 4, must be a 2. So now 7 and 8 go there. 3, 4, and 5 across the bottom, can't do anything just yet. 1, 6, and 9 across there, still can't do anything there. Alright, so if I have all the things in the rows, where does 7 go? 7 must go there. Where does 8 go? 8 has to go there, which puts a 9 there. Still not quite enough to crack it. What else do I have everything of? 4s. I have everything of 4s. Now this is a 1 and a 6. I could use an X-Wing, but I try not to while we're doing gas. This is a 3, 9, 3. That's going to do it. 1, 6, 9. That's beautiful. 1, 6, 2, 5, 1, and 5. This has been Renban Sudoku by Clover. My name is still Bill Murphy, wherever you are in the world. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I will catch you next time. Cheers.